Hello and thanks for joining us. My name is Kate Madden. I'm the Executive Officer for Hampton Park Community House. We have some really important news to share with you. The Victorian Government has provided us with a grant to renew your place, the Community House, with our partners, the facility owners, the City of Casey. We're very excited. Your renewed Community House has been designed to improve child safety, to add extra children's toilets, to improve the outdoor play area, and to generally brighten and lighten up the place. So how will this affect you? While there may be some inconvenience in the short term, we can assure you that we have arrangements in place to support you through the process. The house's new design and some sample photos can be found on our website, and we will provide regular project updates on this channel. For any inquiries, please email our community services team, myself, Zora or Sandra, at office@hamptonparkch.vic.edu.au or call us on 8768 8342. Mobile contact is 0493 040 499. We can't wait to welcome you back to your new and improved community house in 2024.